Bitcoin is on the rise. Are you going to expect a major retracement from here, or is this going to push higher? We're going to cover everything as always, so you can absolutely master the charts. As always, make sure to stay till the end. This is extremely important, so you can get really all the information you need to trade this good. As always, by the way, if you enjoy the content, if you enjoy the predictions here I'm doing, don't forget to smash that like, to subscribe to the channel, to turn notifications. Thank you so much, as always, if you take the time to do it. And on this being said, let's get started. So in the last update, what we have planned was very simple. We have planned is possible bigger impulsive to the upside. Not only this, of course, because we have to be aware of different possible configurations, but this was something possible and was looking for really. If we had to push a lot higher, I was about to take this. Okay, so this wave 1, 2, 3, or 5, you can see that this is possible to plan this before it happened. This is possible by using Elliott waves. Elliott waves really allows you to plan the next possible moves, and then you just have to, with the targets you're going to plan, trade the reaction by reading the order flow really. Okay, this right here is an order flow, so you can really see what's happening behind the market and you can make informed trading decisions. And so, by the way, if you want to learn all of this, you can absolutely, by checking the course section of our website, you can just absolutely learn for free on the website. You have a new feature, by the way, Guess a Pan, that is absolutely free. You have also the master roles here, that is absolutely free. The LOA free course, the beginner course, they're absolutely free. This full course and this ExoCharts course are for apprentice members, but otherwise all of this is for absolutely free, so you can get some really good stuff really already if you wish to learn. You also have some few resources here for free, such as, for example, my order flow, my workspace really with these levels, so you can absolutely get everything and crush the chart. Anyway, on this being said, let's continue with it. So here what I'm taking is very simple. It's what simply what I've planned. I'm going to take simply this impulsive to the upside. Okay, so this impulsive here, what we can do is simply add these smaller waves of this impulsive, so to speak. Here we can add this smaller wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What we can do with this is simply pull the extension tool to really find the targets of this wave 3. So first of all, you can pull the extension tool from the wave 1 root to the wave 1 top to the wave 2 bottom. From here, you're going to add your wave 3 targets. So the wave 3 targets here are the following ones: 120 extension, 1618, 200%, 2618, 3618, and 423.6. These are all the fib targets you have to be aware of. If we get nothing bearish on the 1618, we're going to look for the 200%. If we get nothing bearish on the order flow into the 200% here, we're going to look for the next target, 2618, extra. Okay? So first of all, here the most common target is a 1618, so this is where the price will go minimum, because we have only 2% chance to retrace, and to retrace from this 120 extension first red fib target. So normally we should see a push to the upside into this 1618. Once we have done this 1618, we should be in the wave 4. How can you find a wave 4? First, you have to determine what was the wave 2. So here you pull your retracement tool from the wave 1 top to the wave 1 root, or the opposite. As always, it depends if you reversed your tool or not. Sorry, in your settings. Personally, I did reverse my tool, so it's from the top to the bottom. From here, we can see that we have done a regular wave 2 between the 56, 186%. As always, we have 73% chance to retrace in there. And so from here, when we do a regular wave 2, we expect to be in a regular wave 4, so to speak. Here, go between the 23.6 and the 38.2 with the MC fib in between, and within all these fibs, we have more chance to bounce from the MC fib and the 38.2. Okay, so we should retrace in that case. If we really do a 1618, we should retrace around 36,500. If we reject from 37,500. Okay, and then from here, how to find a wave 5 target? You simply pull your third click of the extension tool, bam, on the wave 4 bottom, and the wave 5 targets are the following ones: 618 first target, 121 extension second target, third target 1618, and the last target 2618. These are all the wave 5 targets. Okay, now it's very simple. If the wave 3 go above again, for example, we go above the 1618, then the wave 3 is going to be above 200%. Let's say that we go to the 2618, then the wave 3 is going to stop here. In that case, we do exactly the same. We have just to find the wave 4 target, so we pull the retracement tool from the wave 3 top to the wave 3 root, or the opposite. As always, it depends if you reverse your tool. From here, 38.2 with the MC fib are the most probable target, and we then look for the wave 5. We just take the third click, place it on the wave 4 bottom, and we can add our wave 5 target. First of all, 618, then we have the 120 extension, two less probable target because truncated, we stop before the wave 3 top. Then we have a double top that is less probable using yellow wave, not impossible, just less probable. So normally the most probable target here is a 1618, and then we have the 2618. Okay, so this is how you can do this really on your side. Now of course I'm gonna update this chart if needed. But otherwise, make sure to join the Discord server. You have everything in there. For example, I've told everyone, and by the way, this is absolutely free, all these channels except this apprentice section here. But for example, I say everyone that was buying 10k euros of worth of PP, the PP coin, and so we've got a nice 20% rise in 1 week. So we've made 20% in a week. Normal banks make 3% a year with your accounts. Okay, so this is just pretty crazy. And of course, you've got this very nice long trade for absolutely free. You've got this nice, so this was for VIPs by the way, this nice S fund where we have done a nice 100% and more than this on this asset. This is just absolutely crazy. So really, if you want to make that's for example a long trade, also we have planned on the Discord server. I told everyone that was in. So you've got this very nice long trade, CKB also. These are some trades I posted for absolutely free on the Discord server because yeah, everything is free. So make sure to join it. Really, you have some really great content in there, so you can get really good, and you can make really some informed trading decisions. But anyway, let's stay realistic for the moment, stay with the most common targets. So we shall do something like this for the moment. Okay, wait, it's not changing to this. I think I misclicked that. Perfect. So once we have done this pink 5 waves, we're simply going to look for this bigger wave 3 top to be in. Okay, once we have done the bigger wave 3 top, again, it's very simple. You can find for the way to find the wave 3 targets, pull the wave 3, the extension tool, sorry, from the wave 1 root to the wave 1 top, down to the wave 4 bottom. From here, the target in that case here will be, if we do the Moscow impulsive to the upside with the pink waves, will be in that case the 2618 as you can see here of the wave 3. Of this wave 3 here, we'll have the FIB here, then we'll have the 3618 and 482316. You can see that the FIB is around there. Okay, so normally if we do the Moscow impulsive to the upside, we should stay around, stop around here, this 2618, retrace next again 38.2. Why? Because we have done a regular wave to here. Okay, so to speak here, bam, we have done, as you can see, we stop it between the 50%, 6%, again, so regular wave 2. And so from here in that case we look for a regular wave 4, and so to speak, between the 2316 and the 38.2 with the MC fib in between. As always, the most probable target within the 3 are the 2 here, MC fib and 38.2. From here, in that case, we just need to pull the third clear of the extension tool on the wave 4 bottom, and from here, bam, the most probable target is a 1618. So we should that should bring us around there. Now, yeah, we can do something different because you can see it do not match really with the higher wave 5, higher time frame right here, higher time frame wave 5 targets. You can see that this is a 120 extension, the next target is a 2618, so we can make something a lot bigger here to the upside. Be aware of that. Anyway, if you want to stay updated, make sure as always to smash the likes, to subscribe to really stay updated, and turn off the notifications. If you want also to get live updates on Bitcoin, join the Discord server. This is where I'm really active, and all of this is absolutely free. Again, once I keep saying this, but yes, this is free, and you can get my updates really in the Mateus update right here. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And by the way, yeah, I'm not really active as you can see here in this channel right there for the moment because I'm working on the course. So the brand new course you're going to get on Elite Wave, because I've made the course when I really started MOONCHARTS, to speak, a bit more than 2 years ago. And so yeah, I've made a lot more experience now. I've already got a lot of experience with Elite Wave, like a few years already, but now it's yeah, I have even more years, almost 5, and maybe more than this, by the way. So yeah, I have a lot more experience, and so yeah, I'm doing something a lot better in my opinion. Anyway, yeah, on this being said, I hope you enjoyed. Make sure also to write some comments down below if you enjoy, to show the support really. And yeah, hope you enjoyed. Take care of you, have a brilliant day, and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.